If you're playing Polybuzz AI and constantly running out of coins, there's now a trusted method to get Polybuzz AI free coins without spending money. Players have started using a free online generator that only needs your user ID, the type of device you're using, and the number of coins you want. It sounds simple because it actually is. After submitting these details, the system starts creating Polybuzz AI coins for your account. But there's a small verification task before they're delivered. This step is important to prevent bots from misusing the tool. Usually, it asks you to download and play a popular game up to level 9. Based on your location, this task could change, so be sure to follow the instructions shown. Once verified, your Polybuzz AI coins are instantly credited to your account. Players call this one of the most effective Polybuzz AI cheats, and some even label it a Polybuzz AI premium glitch due to how smooth and instant the results are. You'll also find trusted Polybuzz AI free coins links that lead to this exact method. It's risk-free, doesn't ask for sensitive data, and helps you get back to playing with all the in-game resources you need. This is how top players stay ahead. Don't miss your chance to do the same with free Polybuzz AI coins delivered straight to your account today.